guys, I'm gonna do a review of this M&M Meats. They have garlic shrimp. This was on sale, so I picked it up. And there's only about 9 to 12 pieces in here. And it's actually pretty small. Look at the size of my hand. So the package is actually quite small. There's the nutrient panel. The ingredients are... where'd they put it? Right here. You guys want to read it? Pause the video. But it's basically shrimp, tapioca, sugar, salt, sodium, lemon juice. Yeah. So there we go. Let's open this up. Okay, so there it is, the shrimp. So these are raw. They're not pre-cooked, so you gotta really cook them yourself. But you can put it in the oven. It says right here. And the oven for 10 minutes and at 220. So yeah. I'm actually gonna cook in the air fryer. So yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back, and I'll show you do a quick taste test. So all right, guys. I have finished this. As you can see, it's all cooked up. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. It was about 10 minutes at 190 I did it for. Okay, so I've ripped it out with the shell. There we go. You can see the garlic and seasoning. Let's just try it out. It's got a nice garlic flavor for sure. Lightly salted. It could use more. But it's really good actually. Yeah, if it had more garlic seasoning, it would be the best. So, but pretty good. If you have any questions, comment, guys, please below, subscribe to the channel. And the meat is actually perfectly done when you do it at that time. So, stay tuned for more videos, guys.